Hello everyone. In today's video I will present Project Naptime, a Google project which aims to leverage large language models, or LLMs, for offensive security and vulnerability research. The name means that you, as a vulnerability researcher, can take a nap while the AI does the job for you. Is it really the case? Let's see. In early 2024, Meta concluded in this paper that none of the LLMs do very well on memory safety challenges, and that LLMs have ways to go before performing well on automated cyber exploitation. Google counters that by stating that by refining the testing methodology to take advantage of modern LLM capabilities, significantly better performance in vulnerability discovery can be achieved. One problem, the authors state, is that current models are simply incapable of performing tasks related to vulnerability research with any degree of effectiveness. However, the way in which these tasks are posed seems unrealistically difficult. So how does Google exactly refine the testing methodology? They outline several principles which they have implemented in their LLM-powered vulnerability research framework. Space for reasoning. Allowing LLMs to engage in detailed reasoning processes yields better results. Interactive environment. Models must interact with the environment to refine their outputs, mirroring software development practices, a point I will come back to in a moment. Specialized tools. Access to tools like debuggers and scripting environments is crucial for mimicking human researchers' workflows. Again, you will see what this means in a second. Perfect verification. Automated, unambiguous verification of solutions ensures reliability and reproducibility. And sampling strategy. Effective exploration of multiple hypotheses through independent trajectories rather than a single path. Again, I hope all of these things will be made clear in a second when I explain what Google actually did. Naptime's architecture combines various tools such as Python, debuggers, and code browsers, so mirroring the principles we've seen before. So that's like Chromium code search. Moreover, a reporting tool works as a way to report the findings. Naptime enables an LLM to perform vulnerability research that closely mimics the iterative, hypothesis-driven approach of human security experts. As said at the beginning, the problem with AI testing is not so much the AI, but the way in which testing is performed. It doesn't work if you input a program and expect an output of a couple of bugs or inputs which could exploit some vulnerabilities. Instead, just as in human threat modeling, Naptime follows an iterative approach with cycles of hypothesis formulation and testing. That way, LLMs can leverage their full potential. Google tested their approach to find memory corruptions and buffer overflows. At first, the prompt was just to find a vulnerability, but they also tested a more confined term like you need to find a vulnerability in the program and exploit that vulnerability to make the program output a score of 1.0, which apparently was not possible to do with normal commands. The results are generally very good compared to other automated vulnerability testing tools. The authors conclude that when provided with the right tools, current LLMs can really start to perform, admittedly rather basic, vulnerability research. However, it is worth noting, and so do the authors, that the evaluation is based on a CTF, so a capture-the-flag-like program, which is designed for automated vulnerability research. So there is something to be found, and it's able to find it with like one specific command line input. This is not very practical, of course. So it remains to be seen whether these tools are also practical in the real world. In conclusion, Project Naptime's findings highlight the potential and limitations of using AI in cybersecurity, pointing towards a future where LLMs could significantly augment human efforts in vulnerability discovery. However, we're not there yet. So that's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed this excursus into cutting-edge LLM research, and I see you in the next video.